Hello beauties, my name is Shweta Vijay and welcome back to my channel. I know from my last video until now there's been a 2 weeks gap. I'm really sorry about that, but it was because of my health. I was a little concerned about it. I needed to take care of myself. I guess I was just overworked, and at the same time my body was asking me to slow down and I had to take care of myself. Okay, so I'm on the road to recovery right now. I'm still not 100%, but I just thought, you know what, let me just sit and do a video for you because I missed you guys. And I know I've been talking so much about skincare, not that I'm ever going to stop because skincare is my first love, but I thought I'll just turn it up a notch, and on my channel I'm going to be talking a lot more about hair care products, hair care routines, things that has worked for me. You have noticed that the health of my hair has improved. Despite, me giving birth, I did not suffer from a drastic postpartum hair loss like the way I thought I would. I did go through it, but it wasn't as drastic, and I think it was only because of the right hair care products, the right techniques, routines, food, supplements, everything combined so beautifully for me that something worked for my strands and for my scalp. I thought I would just teach you exactly what I have learned in the last 2 years. All of us have gone through pandemic, COVID, hair loss because of the stress and what our body has gone through physically and mentally. So I'm here to help you, and I thought in this video I'm going to be showing you one of the products that I have been using for the last 1 year. It's exactly 1 year ago that I discovered this brand, and that's Amrutam Kuntal Hair Care Kit. I have been using it for the last 1 year, and what I thought I should do in this video is to give you an updated review. Because many a times us content creators, we jump from one product to another because it is our job to actually review a lot and tell you what's worth your money in the market. But we tend to forget our first love, and we tend to also forget updating you guys whether it is worth it after a year. And I know after my last video, the hair mask and the shampoo became your favorite at the same time. I could not believe how many people went and bought it and fell in love with it, especially the shampoo. And in that video, I did mention that if they could introduce a conditioner, nothing like it. It will become like the holy trinity of, hair care kits. And they have introduced a conditioner. I don't know, probably you wouldn't have heard about it, but the conditioner that they've introduced also just helps in just providing the right nourishment for your hair. So this is the Ayurvedic hair mask. This is the shampoo, as well as this is the herbal conditioner. This is the same packaging. Nothing has changed at all. I actually restocked on this when I got to London. I wanted more of the shampoo. Basically, I've got about 2 bottles of the shampoo because that's how much I love it. It just makes your hair feel so unbelievably soft. It's one of the best Ayurvedic shampoo I have ever come across, and it's a very gentle, mild scalp cleanser. If you want to start off with Amrutam brand and you want to try out just one product, it has to be this winner of a shampoo. So I'm going to show you my routine, how I apply the hair spa, the shampoo and conditioner, and I think I needed to do this updated one because if there's anyone new watching my channel, because over the year my channel has grown, so if you're new and you have not heard about Amrutam, then maybe this is the time for you to just pay attention to this wonderful made in India brand. It's based on the whole science of Ayurveda. Now, I have spoken in detail about the hair care hair spa. Such a beautiful mask for anybody that is suffering from hair fall, that is suffering from frizzy hair, from really damaged hair, and you're looking for a fabulous Ayurvedic hair mask. This is the one for you. I love it because it's got such wonderful ingredients like aloe vera, bringraj, amla, brahmi. It's also got mehendi, and it's got eucalyptus oil. The fact that it's got eucalyptus, not only the fragrance is just beautiful, but it gives that cooling effect for your scalp, and it helps with the blood circulation. So I'm going straight with the hair mask. I'm not putting any oil, any conditioner, and as you can see, it's a fine paste. There's no grit to this, okay, because many hair masks has got a grit and it's very difficult for it to completely come off from your scalp. This doesn't have that. I'm just going to apply this all over my scalp and gently massage, allowing that blood circulation because that's very important. And immediately you will feel like a tingling effect on your scalp, and that's because of all the oils, the ingredients, the eucalyptus. Generously apply that on your strands. When you apply it itself, you would think it's drying out your hair. It's not. So I'll be back in the next step when it is the shampoo and conditioning time. So this is an amazing hair mask to apply maybe twice a month, more than enough. If you want to go 3 times a month, also it's great. It's not going to do you any harm because the ingredients are fabulously natural. Amla, Brahmi and Balchad are 3 ingredients that are very beneficial for your hair as well as for your scalp in Ayurveda. These 3 ingredients almost form like a holy trinity in a hair product, and so rich, in its nutrients. And I like the fact that you just have to apply this for around 30-40 minutes and then you go and wash it off with a proper conditioner and shampoo. And I would say that you can get about 7 to 8 uses out of it. Okay, the quantity is also amazing. They said that you can use this overnight, but probably if you are in a hot, humid country, then you could, but it's got eucalyptus oil. So if you're living in a cold country like UK, it anyway has a very cooling effect on your scalp. So probably this could make you catch a cold. So I would avoid that. One of the key ingredients that is there in all Ayurvedic hair masks is mehendi. Because it's fantastic for your scalp, okay, it's great for dandruff, it's great to strengthen your hair at the same time. But for many people, mehendi can also strip away the natural hydration that your hair already has. So every time you apply an Ayurvedic hair spa, like a mask, please make sure that you condition your hair very, very well. Either you can go for a pre-conditioning treatment like a hair oil or on your strands, or you can mix this hair mask along with a deep conditioning, like an intensive conditioning mask. Just take about 2 tablespoons of it, mix it up with this hair mask and then apply onto the strands. Or you can follow it up with conditioner first, then shampoo, then conditioner again. That's what I do. So on the days that I do not apply a hair oil, that is the process that I go about with it. I will first condition my hair all the way from scalp to the end, and then I will apply my shampoo, that's the Kuntal shampoo, double rinse with it because it is that good when you double rinse. It just lathers up in the most incredible way, which just blows my mind because it doesn't have all that SLS and the silicones that actually works as a lathering agent. It's devoid from that, yet it gives you that same lathering satisfaction. Okay, that's what I love about the shampoo. And then after I double rinse, I go about with applying the conditioner once again only on my strands, and it just makes my hair feel so soft and manageable and healthy. There is a shine to the hair at the same time every time I apply this hair care kit. Now when it comes to their shampoo, I know this one seems to be everybody's favorite. What a mind-blowing shampoo this one is, you guys. It makes your hair so shiny, so soft, and it just maintains the overall health of your hair. This one you can definitely double rinse, okay? Just apply this on your scalp, nicely massage your scalp with the shampoo. Just work on that grit and grime that is stuck on your scalp. Give that blood circulation to your scalp properly with the shampoo, and then rinse it off. This beauty has got Rita, it's got Shikakai, it's got Amla, it's got Bringraj, it's got Balchad again, it's got Sitafal Beej, and it's got aloe vera at the same time. And all these ingredients provide that extra nourishment for your hair, and it doesn't strip away the natural hydration that your strands normally has. And I guess that's the feedback most of you have given me, that your hair felt nice and soft after using this. Even after a year, you guys, this still will be in my top 5 hair shampoos. Last but not the least, this is the Kuntal Care Herbal Conditioner, and this is to give you that soft, frizz-free, lustrous hair. And this one has got Shikakai, Rita, Tripla, Bringraj, hibiscus flower, kalonji, coconut water, aloe vera, mehendi. Now I know usually I would say follow it up with the shampoo after that, but because of the mehendi, how I like to work with it on my hair is that I apply the conditioner on my scalp, because usually conditioners you apply only on the strands, isn't it? Right after this hair mask, I apply this on my scalp as well as my strand, and I let it marinate. And after about 5 minutes, I rinse it off, and then I apply my shampoo. You can also follow it up with any conditioner of your choice if you do not want to go with the same conditioner. But I just feel that it's a holy trinity and it works really, really well. So this is my short review of the Amrutam Kuntal Hair Care Kit. I will buy it again. There is no doubt in my mind that this is worth the money. They also have the Bringraj Hair Therapy. This is the 2-in-1 herbal shampoo and conditioner. If you are someone who doesn't like, the whole ritual of shampoo and then conditioner, and you want something that is all in one bottle, this is also a fabulous, fabulous one. If you want me to do a whole separate review on this, just to show you exactly how I work with this, what it does for the hair, please let me know and I'll do a whole separate video video on this. Do not forget to check out the first video, because there you'll get a little better clarity, because that was the first time I was using it. So you can actually see the transformation that happens in my hair, and I'm so happy that I got a chance to work with Amritam once again in this video. Let me know if you have tried it, if you have loved it, if you have any further questions with regards to the products or the technique. Just leave your feedback. I'm here to help you. Okay? So I hope to see you in my next video, and until later, bye for now.